In the past, I offered professional headlight restoration services. And here are some of the products that I used back then. I would use a corded drill, and that would be used with an inverter that was powered by a car battery. And these are some of the accessories that I would use. So this is the compound pad, this is the polishing pad, and this is the drill attachment. In addition, in terms of compound, at that time I used the Maguire's brand. So everything used to be Maguire's. But this is a very good product as well. 3M compound, rubbing compound, Maguire's polishing compound, and I would use Maguire's wax. I've since switched to this wax. Now in terms of the process, here's what I had to do to restore the clarity of those headlights. I would start off with 1500 grit sandpaper. If it was in turbo condition, I would start off with 1000 grit. So I would sand first with the 1000 or 1500 grit sandpaper, and I would finish off with the 2500 grit sandpaper. After that process was completed, I then would use my drill with the attachment, and I would first use the rubbing compound to get rid of the sanding marks. After completing that step, I would then finish off with the polish. Once the clarity was fully restored, then as a protectant I would add some wax, which could be done by hand or it could be done using the drill. With the process that I just described, the headlights would last anywhere from 6 months to 9 months. So I kept searching, kept doing research, and I came upon some products which honestly I have not tried them as yet. I've heard about this product, the Maguire's product, and I've also heard of this one as well, none of which I have used. After doing extensive research, I came upon this product, the Next Gen Headlight Restoration. I am not an affiliate. I don't get paid to talk about this product. However, I personally have used it on a 1997 Toyota Camry, and I've gotten fantastic results. And it's been 1 year, 3 months since this was applied to the headlight, and the clarity has been maintained. Hence, I find it necessary to inform you, the motorists, of a fantastic product that will actually maintain the clarity of your headlight. It delivers as promised. So here are some of the items that you'll get with the kit. I am not sure if these are all the items, but nonetheless, this is what I can recall, this is what I found. So you get a canister of spray. To be honest, it's not a lot. I think the maximum you can do, you can check on the website, you can do, I think, 2 to 3 cars. So this is the canister. You also get these lint-free cloths. You will also get 1, 2, 3 of these pads. You get a pair of gloves, and you'll get sanding paper. These are the items that comes in the kit. So why would I recommend this kit? Apart from the longevity, it cuts the restoration process by about 75%, and I'm being very honest. Wherein I would have to go through multiple sandpapers with this restoration kit. So it's a 2-step process. Sand the headlight with a 600 grit sandpaper, after which you apply a layer of this restoration product, and that's it. You're done. So you could take 15 to 20 minutes to restore your headlight. If you wish to do it as a business, that's the time that it would take in order for you to complete a pair of headlights. So for me, this product is exactly what I was looking for. So if you had any doubt as to whether or not I can validate what I stated, here is the product that I purchased to verify that I have used the product and I have the results of which I speak about. So if you are interested, you can check on shipping details, the costs, all the information associated with the acquisition of this product, and you can have your headlight restored for a very long time. So good luck and all the best. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for your support.